Second card, give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Okay. Third card out is unrequited love. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Okay. So, I feel like either some of you guys are still in a relationship or some type of commitment with someone, or this is someone that you let go of, maybe because of how they were treating you, the things that were said. I feel like the person that messed up, they're hurting right now because they want you to give them another chance. It's like they know that you're the one for them, and so I feel like they're trying to come in correct, but some of you guys are like, well, I don't know if this is gonna, work out in my favor. Are you done playing games? Are you, going to respect me? Because some of you guys, I feel like you either walked away or you're getting ready to walk, and so this person is gonna try to come, and as soon as I said it, there's the 8 of Cups. So you see what I'm saying? Somebody walked away. So, yeah, let's just jump in. Let's just see how this is gonna play out. Okay, Spirit, I want to do a spread on my Scorpios, please, for the second half. All right, Scorpios, let's see what's going on. All right, so bottom of the deck, I have the 7 of Swords. Overall energy. So see what I'm saying? It's like you guys are looking at whoever this is resonating for as like being very sneaky. You feel like somebody that you were dealing with is sneaky. Maybe somebody's trying to sneak away from a situation. Yeah, okay, so somebody was definitely being sneaky because you guys could have found out that there was some type of third-party situation going on. This could also be that maybe somebody wants things to improve with you. See, and they want to give you an offer, but the way the Ace of Pentacles came out, I'm getting two things. It's like somebody wants to give you an offer, the person that messed up, but they're scared you're not going to take it because they had you in some type of third-party situation. For others of you, it could be a situation to where maybe some of you guys or someone is worried about money, and if that is the case, I do feel like money is going to come in for you. But let's just see. Tell me about the Ace of Pentacles. See what I'm saying? Look at that. That's 3 pentacles in a row. Somebody's trying to have a peace of mind about their finances. Clarify the 9 of Pentacles. The 2 of Pentacles tried to jump out, but it didn't. Let's see. What is happening, Scorpio? Okay, so back and forth with the High Priestess. So I definitely feel like somebody, but either you or the person that you're dealing with, 1 minute you or this individual is using their intuition or your intuition, but the next minute they're not. So let's see. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody wants a victory, but they feel like they're not going to have it. And it's either with a relationship or it could be with finances. So let's see. Okay. So somebody made a decision here. What's the decision? Oh, okay. Let's put you down. Okay, somebody made a decision to walk away from a toxic situation. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn, but I feel like, Scorpio, if you are thinking about walking away from someone, or if you did walk away from someone, this person does not want you to walk away from them at all. And they're ready to come back in because they definitely want to turn things around. They want to work this out. Another decision. So somebody's made a decision. Tell me about the 2 of Pentacles reversed. Okay, so whoever messed up, they're going to come back in to give you an offer, but you may reject it, or they're thinking that you're going to reject it. Yeah, because you're not happy. You're not happy with this person. Tell me more. Yep, there's the Queen of Cups. What is happening? Okay, so somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I feel like, honestly, Scorpio, you guys are just emotional right now. Somebody's really upset. Tell me about the Queen of Cups, please. Yeah, because, see, somebody could be stuck in a codependent situation with their mother, child's mother, just something like that. Tell me more. Let's see. That could be why there's such a stress on money. Somebody's having a hard time. Tell me more. The King of Cups tried to come out. Alright, the Star. More so up. Alright, so I feel like somebody's trying to hold on to hope here. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. But somebody feels like things aren't going to improve due to the fact of what they've done or what they put you through in the past. See, and it's like this person, they're scared that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you, but they're not speaking their truth. Maybe somebody's not communicating how they should. Yeah, see, there's a breakup. Or maybe somebody feels like they just need to get out of this commitment, relationship, marriage. Somebody has to do it, but see, if they do that, it's going to start a lot of conflict. Clarify the Five of Wands. But somebody is like, somebody doesn't care. They're wanting to take a leap to fix this. But they're sad because somebody took a financial hit. I told y'all, somebody's worried about money. It's either you or this other individual. Somebody feels like they are going to take a financial hit. If not, somebody's just sad the way things are playing out. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I definitely feel like this person knows what they want. The seeds that were planted, they definitely want it to grow. But they're scared that you don't want to have a happy home with them anymore, Scorpio. Because, yeah, there's no balance here. It's like you guys were putting in all the work into this, into the relationship or the situation, and they weren't even meeting you halfway. Honestly, I don't even like 50-50. You know, I'm 100-100. So somebody definitely wasn't putting in 100% of the effort here. Tell me more. Scorpio, you could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I feel like this situation basically set you up to go through a transformation because there were certain things that you were doing. It's like you're no longer accepting, you're no longer tolerating. So if you had to cut off dead weight, or if you had to get out of a situation or in whatever it is, it's like you're doing that in order for you to have a fresh start, in order for you to have a new beginning. Because see, you got tired of getting stabbed in the back by this individual. So it's like, I see you healing. And it's like you don't have the strength to deal with this person anymore. Could be dealing with a Leo. Now, also, I did hear whoever this is also resonating for, like the person that messed up, they could also be going through a transformation due to the fact that you cut them off. But let's just see. See, somebody's trying to manifest. Somebody's trying to stay positive here. Tell me about the Magician. But they're not talking. So you guys aren't really communicating with each other, or somebody's just not saying something that needs to be said. See what I'm saying? Somebody wants to move forward with you. The person that messed up, they definitely want to move forward with you. It could be a Cancer, but if not, I feel like Scorpio, maybe if you're tired of this person, you're like trying to plan like a getaway, like you're over it. You're trying to figure out, okay, if we're living together, I need to move out, or what do I need to do to move forward? So this is going both ways. Let's see. There's the Queen of Swords. Okay, so yeah, honestly, whoever messed up, they definitely want to move forward with you, but they're just not speaking their truth. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra, but this person is scared that you're going to go off on them once they speak their truth to you. Clarify. The Tower reverse, please. See, this person with the Ten of Pentacles, they want stability with you. They want it all. But see, somebody, you know, is trying to prevent it. And this is why they're scared they're not going to have this new beginning with you. Justice. Your justice was definitely served in this matter, Scorpio. Somebody could have been dealing with a Libra, but there is some type of legal situation going on. This court, legal documents and contracts. So there's something coming in. That's why there's such a focus on money. Let's see. Let's see if they'll tell me. I feel like this person wants to rush back in to... See what I'm saying? Somebody is frustrated about their money. I don't know if somebody has to pay something out, or it's just some legal situation here. They want to rush back in and tell you, but they're frustrated. Let me see. Tell me more. This was their lesson. See? Somebody's going through it right now. Could be dealing with a Virgo. But this was their lesson. And see, yeah, there's some type of third party here. And this person knows that they need to get out of some type of situation. But they're holding on. They haven't walked away from this person or this situation. And y'all know, third party doesn't have to be another man or woman. It could be, you know, friends, family. It could be anything, career. But that is some type of issue here, and I don't know if someone has to pay something out because somebody is worried about their money, or maybe somebody, you know, is just being really stingy and just holding on to their money. But whatever's going on, it's a lesson. See what I'm saying? Somebody feels like they were left out in the cold, and I feel like it's financially speaking. For others of you, if it has nothing to do with finances, just maybe you're feeling like you got left out in the cold because this person was dealing with some type of third party that they just were not walking away from. And you guys are looking at this person like they're very immature. They're very childish. This person could be younger than you, but y'all are just like over it. See, somebody wants things to improve between the two of you, but you don't want a new beginning with this person. And they're scared that they're not going to have this new beginning with you. And see, they're emotional. You could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But somebody is definitely emotional and they're sad. Because it's like you guys are just fiery. You're positive. You're just moving for you. You know, you could be dealing with a... Oh, hell. Let's move y'all over here. Y'all see this? There's 3 people. There's 3 people here. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. There's definitely 3 people here. That's why this person is worried about their money. There was a codependent situation. Somebody was giving money to someone else. Whether it's Scorpio, whether it's your person giving money to the other individual, or they were giving money to your person. Somebody was financing the other person. But see, now somebody's worried about their money now. It's some type of... Oh, hell. See what I'm saying? Somebody's still going through their karma. They're not moving forward because they still haven't learned their lessons yet. Okay, hold on. Scorpio, you're not worried about it. You're definitely not worried about it at this point. And you removed yourself from this third-party situation. Yep, you're no longer frustrated. Somebody's undecided about what to do, but there will be a decision that's going to be made. I feel like it's the person that messed up because, see, they're having a hard time giving you this offer, but they are spying on you. Somebody's spying on the other person because I feel like they don't want them to walk away. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person knows that they caused an imbalance in the relationship because they were entertaining other people. They know that. There are things about this person that you just didn't care for. And somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But see, you guys are looking at it like, okay, I'm ready to start on a new path. I'm tired of going through this. But this person wants to come back to fix things with you. They want to start over and build. But in order to do that, it requires them to let go of this third-party situation. Because clearly, you guys let go. You're letting go of this person. You're done. Tell me more. Back and forth. Okay, so this is the other person. They want to come back to put in the work to fix things with you. But right now, it's like, I don't know. Yeah, see, they're moving slow. They're moving really slow to do it. Like you guys just aren't frustrated with them anymore. It's like, y'all, like, it is what it is. I'm just focusing on myself. But see, things are moving slow right now between the two of you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Clarify the Emperor, please. Back and forth with, yeah, see. It's like you guys want stability, but at the same time, somebody that you're dealing with is very stubborn. And I feel like whoever this is, somebody's feeling stuck or trapped in the situation, and they're not speaking their truth. And I definitely do feel like they're going to come out and they're going to say and speak their truth to you. Yeah, somebody's getting cut off. I feel like somebody now knows what's up. And somebody's definitely getting cut off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But somebody feels like they lost you. They're in their head about it. Somebody definitely feels like they've been lost. And see, whoever messed up, it's like they're not confident, but they are going to come back in to give you an apology. The 7 of Swords keeps trying to come out. Somebody's being sneaky. See, this person's going to give you an apology, and they're going to give you the offer that you deserve, Scorpio. It is a secure offer. There's the 7 of Swords. It's reversed. This person knows that they were being sneaky in the past, and that they have to clean up their act. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but see, this person didn't bring balance into this situation that you guys had. There's the Hierophant. So, but the way the Hierophant came out, I mean, you definitely could be dealing with a Taurus. But at the same time, it's like if you guys are in a commitment, if you're in a marriage, you guys are thinking about getting out of that relationship, getting out of that marriage. And this is why this person is scared. Because they don't want that to take place. They don't want that to happen. So they do want a commitment with you, Scorpio. But see, they're scared. Somebody's definitely dealing with a Pisces here. They're scared due to the fact that there were secrets. Yeah, see, and because of those secrets, they feel like they're going to lose their family. There's no balance here. Somebody feels like they're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you anymore due to the fact they were given it too. And now their money is messed up, or they feel like their money isn't right. Ooh, Scorpio. Y'all leave me some comments. Alright, Scorpios. Well, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed your reading. Leave me some comments, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.